Tenda security pan tilt camera installation video. Insert micro SD card. Power on camera. Waiting for the camera startup.
Waiting for connection.
Download the TDSE app. Add camera to app. Scan the QR code at the bottom of the camera via app. Choose the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network that you want the camera to connect. Scan the QR code on app via camera.
Connecting. Please wait. Router connection succeeded. Configuration is completed. Welcome to Tenda Camera.